Hello everyone, welcome to NSN's YouTube channel National Skills Network. Research indicates that 50% of the 4 million IT employees need to be reskilled over the next 3 years. Don't you agree? As the shelf life of technologies is reducing, reskilling, upskilling, and continuous learning are actually becoming the new normal. So today, me and my colleague Pratyusha, we will be talking to you all about Future Skills Prime platform, which is together built by NASCOM and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. We will talk to you about the Future Skills Prime platform in brief, what's in it for learners, who should join it, and also a walkthrough through their website. So stay tuned, and without much delay, let's get into the topic. But before we do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to not miss any updates from us.
Digital disruption is taking over the world. The demand for skilled workforce in the newest technologies is increasing rapidly. Many countries are coming forward with various initiatives to meet the demand. So, with an objective to propel India into a leadership position in the digital world, the Government of India, under the aegis of Ministry of Electronics and IT, has collaborated with NASCOM to launch the Future Skills platform. Future Skills Prime, a digital learning platform by METY and NASCOM. It is a digital learning platform built by the government together with the IT industry. The platform aims to reskill and upskill around 4 lakh professionals in the next 3 years. It offers digital fluency in the newest technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, cloud computing, among others. It also offers advanced skills by getting certified on industry defined skills. We will provide you a website walkthrough in the end of the presentation. So stay tuned to watch how the website works.
As you have understood about the Future Skills Prime platform, let me give you some more information. So, what's in it for learners? There are free and short learning pathways of 40 minutes duration curated by the industry experts. Courses are aligned to NSQF approved national occupational standards. Learners can also take a quiz at the end of each learning pathway to check their understanding and win badges. They can earn certificates from courses aligned to the government approved curriculum. Who should join the Future Skills Prime, the digital platform? IT professionals in IT and non IT firms, central and state government employees who are undergoing or selected for internship or apprenticeship roles, professionals leveraging emerging technology in their domain. Now, my colleague Pratyusha will take us all through NASCOM Future Skills Prime website and helps us understand how the platform works.
First, you need to visit their website futureskillsprime.in, for which we will leave the link in the description box below. So after that, you will be able to see a sign up button, by clicking which it will redirect you to a login page. Here I am already logged in. I have already signed up for the website, so it took me to my dashboard. I will tell you how you can sign up. Uh, After clicking the sign up button, it will ask you to provide your full name and the email ID and the password you want to give. After giving all the essentials, you will be able to sign up for the website. Here after you log in to the website, you will be able to see a screen like this. Here the home button is a library for all the content curated for this website, such as the emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, big data analytics, and many others. Here, by clicking the follow button, you will be able to follow these technologies, and you will be able to see the courses under these particular technologies. This also offers courses in professional skills, industry and government approved courses, as well as software tools and programming languages. Here under my learning, you will be able to see many courses, and the courses that you have already started learning. Under groups, you will be able to follow different groups and be a part of a community to share your experience, your learning experience, and you can ask your questions as well. uh, Here in this website, you will be able to give three interests, like three technologies. For example, artificial intelligence or machine learning or cybersecurity, data science, any. But the maximum three technologies you will be able to give. At any point of time in the future, if you want to change your interest, you will be able to do so. As we told you earlier, that this platform also provide a skill passport and digital fluency. Under skill passport, here there is a section called interest. By clicking the edit button here, you will be able to change your preferences anytime you want to do. The website shows you courses as per the selection of your technologies. For example, if you have selected artificial intelligence, robotic process automation, and cloud computing, then the platform will show you courses based on these technologies only. Most of the courses here are free of cost. After completing the courses, you will be able to get certificates and badges, which you can share on your social media to show your digital fluency. This digital learning platform is the best place for someone who wants to learn the newest technologies and wants to build their skill set. If you want us to make a separate video for the website walkthrough, then do let us know in the comment section below. We will be delighted to make a detailed website walkthrough video, and we will let you know how the website works in detail. We will leave all the relevant links for this video in the description box below. Do not forget to check them out. And if you have any queries regarding the platform, then please let us know. We will be happy to clarify all your doubts as much as we can. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button to never miss an update in the future. And if you found this video helpful, then do not forget to share it with your friends and family, and we will meet you in our next video.